Grace Ann, can you wink? Can you wink? Can you wink? Can you wink? How do you wink? Is that the happy dance? Grace Ann, look at Mommy. Yeah. Can you wink? Can you do this? Do this. Do this. Can you blink? Yeah. Is that the corn? You like corn the best? Mm-hmm. Is corn your favorite? Uh-huh. You say yes, ma'am? Say yes, ma'am. Are you talking about your food? Are you going to eat some chicken?
No.
No? Do you like corn? Really? That sounds interesting. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yes. Do you remember? You do? Okay. Can you wink? Can you wink? Show Daddy how you wink.
Can you wink? Just one eye. There you go.